Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many users encounter when dealing with digital files, the issue of corrupted files. Imagine this. You've been working on an important document for hours, only to discover that you can't open it due to corruption. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, because we've got a solution for you. In situations like these, where your files become corrupted and inaccessible, the best course of action is to use a file repair tool. By utilizing a reliable file repair tool, you can effectively restore your corrupted files to a healthy state, allowing you to access and use them once again. These specialized tools are designed to handle a variety of file formats and repair different types of corruption, ensuring a high success rate in recovering your important data. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into how these file repair tools actually work. When you run the tool on your corrupted file, it will scan the content for any inconsistencies or errors. The tool then employs sophisticated algorithms to reconstruct the damaged data and fix any issues found, ultimately restoring the file to its original, usable state. It's like having a digital file doctor that can work wonders. In summary, encountering corrupted files could be a major headache, but with the right solution at hand, a reliable file repair tool, you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that your precious data is not lost forever. So, next time you run into a corrupted file, remember to give a file repair tool a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite file saving hack.